Well, it was a packed court today for the opening of the striking customs and immigration officers whose case was referred to the Industrial Tribunal. The panel was expected to begin hearing evidence on the witnesses, but the matter did not proceed as scheduled. Fern Carey has the details.
From the outset, the Industrial Tribunal panel stressed they only had the jurisdiction to hear the 14 items in the trade dispute referred to the tribunal by Labour Minister Dion Foulkes last week. Those items include, among other things, suspension pending investigation, shift premium, and overtime. But the court's decision to limit the arguments to the items in the dispute did not sit well with attorney for the Customs, Immigration and Allied Workers Union, Obi Ferguson. He indicated that other outstanding items of concern, including overtime and general orders, had not been included in the documents sent to the tribunal. Ferguson also said Prime Minister Hubert Ingraham agreed during a meeting to pay overtime dating back to 2010, noting that the minutes of that meeting should have been presented to the court. But Crown Counsel David Higgins stressed that the union had agreed to all of the items in the trade dispute, noting that the talks broke down when the union decided to introduce new items. However, Ferguson stressed that a major item of dispute was the way employee overtime was calculated. He indicated that the union did not agree for workers to be paid less, as it is not in accordance with the Employment Act. After hearing from both sides, the tribunal adjourned at 11 a.m., resuming half an hour later with an unexpected decision. The panel decided to refer the matter back to the Labour Minister for further discussion, and also advised the union to file a new dispute with regard to its other concerns for resolution. The tribunal's ruling did not sit well with Ferguson, who questioned how the panel came to its conclusion without giving the union an opportunity to present its case. He asked the court to reconsider, noting that the union did not agree to the 14 items in the trade dispute. Higgins also suggested both sides present arguments at a later date and informed the tribunal that senior members of the Customs and Immigration Department, including Immigration Director Jack Thompson, Charles Turner, Secretary and Assistant Secretary of Labor, will be as witnesses. The union is also expected to call 4 witnesses. In the end, the court adjourned the matter to May 3rd and 4th. At that time, both sides will present their arguments for a decision. Fern Carey, 7S News.